my beamer, then you like hit. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna start working on Edgar's car finally. He finally got parts for it. I'll show you guys what he got for it right now. But before we start on his car, I got some bad news about the beamer. All right, so in last video you guys remember that we fixed the beamer, fixed it, changed the water pump, thermostat, and like a few coolant hoses. It's been like 2 days since we changed everything, and I said I was gonna update you guys in the next video. The day after I fucking fixed everything, I came back the very next morning. It's probably dry by now, but oh, you guys probably can't even see shit. Nope, it's still wet under there. The car is still fucking leaking. Honestly, like I said when we changed out the water pump and the thermostat and all that shit, I literally said that the water pump and the hoses looked fine, so I don't even think that was the problem to begin with. I don't know what else I'm gonna do. I really don't want to fucking put it back inside Edgar's yard and work on it again, because basically I don't know what it could be. I mean, there's a slight chance that one of the hoses that we put isn't tight enough and is leaking or something still, but I don't know. I like triple checked everything. Edgar did too, and everything looks good, so I have no idea what could be leaking. The only other idea I have is that it's something on top of that area, so probably like a coolant feed line to the turbo or something in that nature, but I mean, I'm not sure. So basically like the car just has to be torn into again and fucking just to be able to find that little leak. I might drive it again later and see if it continues leaking. I have no idea why it's leaking. It only leaks when the car gets hot, so I'm not sure. I'll figure that out later. But yeah, basically the car is still not fixed. It still has a tiny leak. I don't know if I'm gonna fix it myself or if I might just take it to a shop and have them take a look at it. But working on BMWs is expensive. Like it's expensive working on it yourself. Imagine paying a shop to do it is like fucking triple the price. So I'm not sure. I'll update soon on what's gonna happen with the beamer. I gotta take a look at it again myself, and I'll find out what the fuck I'm gonna do with it in the next video probably. But let's go check up with Edgar and see what he's gonna do to his car today. It's gonna take like 30 minutes to put this lip on, so it's gonna be quick. Literally, I think all you need is like a ratchet and like 3 other things. So let me show you guys the parts that he got for it. You wanna show him?
Right there. That's some motherfucking board attack exhaust. Oh, here we got some new pistons.
Yes, sir. All right, so he got a grill and a lip. Basically, he's gonna swap up the front end a lot. You're gonna get rid of those fog lights then, huh?
Yeah.
So it's gonna look a lot more modern with that. And yeah, let's see how it looks. This is the before. And I'll show you guys how to fucking install everything. It's gonna be really quick, and we'll see how the car looks like after. Alright, so first step, we gotta take out this like cowl area radiator support thing, plastic shit. It's just held in by a bunch of these clips. Just pop these out and then this should come off. Oh my god. I got it. Yes, sir. Master 4 technician right here. Alright, the cowl area bullshit's off. Now what's left? Damn, that shit dirty. You need to clean this. Knowing Edgar, he's not gonna fucking clean it, bro. Oh my god. Right now, we're just trying to figure out how to take out this stock grill. It's this clip right here.
Why the fuck you take this shit?
No idea.
Bro, how the fuck your car dumb?
This one, you lift it up like this.
Like that?
Yeah. Just pop it on there, you can pull it.
Yeah. Oh, yes, sir.
Alright. I got both of these out. You got yours out?
Yeah, it should. Something's holding on to it in the bottom.
Something in the middle, maybe. Oh, there's clips right here.
I just pull it.
Oh. There you go. Then the only thing that holds this grill in is literally just these clips. For sale, 200 bucks because it came off Piña's car. Hit me up, or hit Edgar up. Now we gotta block these off because they're not gonna be used anymore.
I don't know what I'm doing. What's going on? Hey yo, hey yo, what? Oh hell.
Master 4 technician right here. I'm telling you.
Some shit like this. Yes sir.
No water getting in that. Just know next time you take that tape off, it's gonna be sticky as hell.
Oh god. I don't think I'm ever putting fog lights back, so.
Yeah.
You gotta clean this right here, bro.
Bro, he doesn't clean anything on his car. Oh, this is Edgar's homie David, by the way. Homie has a slammed ass truck for no reason.
Oh yeah. That shit dirty as fuck.
Clean it, dog. Go get a rag and clean it. Edgar, what your cousin doing on the bumper? Oh my god. Master 4 technician. I ain't gonna lie, it worked. Alright, that's about as clean as it's gonna get in Edgar's possession, so. Yeah, American Muscle come fully detailed.
Oh wait, that's for the beer.
Alright, there's a bunch of brackets, but we have all the instructions right here, so it should be pretty easy. Zip tie those lights where?
Right here, here's a little hole.
Just so they don't go anywhere.
Yes, sir. There we go. Yes, sir.
Look at this Edgar size intake. Hold up. Sick as fuck. Oh, it's K9. That's tight.
Plus 200 horsepower. Give it to her.
Y'all good? All right, right now we're trying to figure out how to put these brackets. All right, so we got this whole mess of brackets, and basically what we figured out, well, what David figured out, there's this one, there's 4 of these, and you gotta put them inside these 4 bottom brackets. All right, so with the 90-degree side, because this side's curved, with the 90-degree side towards the back, so like that, there you go. And then you put one of these, like, I don't even know what the fuck these are called, screw hole makers onto the back right here. There you go. And then you need to get one of these pieces that come with the kit. It's like a small curved, like, I think they call it like a clamp tab. And then you just slide this right here. And now we're gonna put a screw that connects these 2 right here, and that's gonna hold the whole assembly into place. I'll hold that here, you put the screw in it.
Bro, you missed that shit, bro.
I'm dead as fuck. Homie missed the whole hole.
That shit ain't going nowhere.
I'm dead. All right, there we go. Let's try this again, Edgar.
Ain't nothing gonna fit through here, though.
Yeah, bro.
Yes, a regular flathead would.
Bro,
Oh, wait, I think I
got
got
that
that
small
one.
little pen one you have. Use that for it.
Oh, yeah.
Edgar needs to go get a flathead. David's gonna start working on setting these up for him. Meanwhile,
Oh, yeah. Good shit, dude.
there you go. Tighten that hole. That's nice and secure. On God, this video is more helpful than the American Muscle one.
Good ass.
You have to loosen it and push that bracket down. We have all these U-clamps down. They're all nice and sturdy. What's next?
Next, we gotta get sturdy.
All right, the next step is we gotta take out this. This used to have like a little bracket right here, but Edgar broke it. You're gonna have a little clip on this side, and then you're gonna take out this one over here as well. Not this one over here. So now the next step is you gotta get the piece that looks like this. Is the only one in the kit that looks like it. You're gonna put one of these onto this end right here. Something like that with the little, oops. It's gonna go in like this, so just make sure you put this in, and then you just put a screw, and then attaches it to the chassis. Repeat the same thing on the other side. Both top brackets are on, and now what's next? All right, next step is like move the grill back a little bit. Onto these brackets, you need to put one of these screw hole maker thingies like that. You need to put one on this side and one on the other side, and then put some on these as well. And now we can just start attaching the grill to the actual car with the screws. Can't see shit.
All right, that makes sense.
God damn. Hold up, technical difficulties. Bro.
Oh, give me this shit.
Hold on, I got it. Yeah, hold it up like that. Edgar, you try this shit. You gonna see what I'm talking about.
I don't see what you're talking about. Gotta work with that one. All right.
There you go. Yes, sir.
That's good enough for that one. All right, that's good for right there.
You have a USB to USB cable?
No, bitch. The fuck is that?
All right, we close the hood right now, and we noticed that the like corners and shit are too like pushed back. The overall grill from the top is just too pushed back. Edgar's gonna take off that screw right here, and we're gonna try and use this instead.
There we go.
Take off the bracket.
Now we talking. Wait. Right there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
That's a
there
lot
you
better.
go. You good, David? What's going on?
I don't have the screw.
Oh, there we go. Hell yeah.
All right, so we pushed this back to the brackets back here because the whole grill was just pushed out too much. So damn, that shit looks a lot better. Close
Hell
the
yeah.
hood.
There we go. Hey.
Damn, that shit look good. Ain't no way you seen this. All right, so the last thing we gotta put this bracket with another one of those screw hole thingies on the back of it. One on this side and then another one on this side. And these are gonna be the things that attach that cowl back onto the car. What the last bracket's in, now it's time to put that cowl back in. Now you gotta use the same factory clips and then just poke them back all into the holes. There we go. And that's literally it. The grill's installed. All right, now that we got the grill installed, we just gotta jack the car up a little bit just to get a little bit more room on the bottom. You can honestly put the lip on like this, to be honest, but so we're gonna jack the car up a little bit and then show you guys how to install the lip. All right, the first step is you gotta take the lip, and it's upside down right now. And it's gonna have some double-sided tape right here, but since it's smooth plastic, we had to sand this entire area all the way around to that side. Just sand it with anything from 80 grit to 220, so this is 150, like right in the middle. So we had to scuff it up a bit for the adhesion promoter and the tape, and that's pretty much it.
Ta-da! Yeah, that should be good.
Bro, did he send the Oni too?
Alright, my camera died, so I'm gonna use the GoPro. Next step after you sand the area is you gotta clean up with alcohol wipes that's provided with the kit. One packet is for the lip, and then the other packet is for the actual body of the car. Now that that's nice and sanded and cleaned with alcohol, you got to take the second alcohol wipe and use that to clean the other mating surface of the tape, which is this whole body line right here. All right, now we got to put this adhesion promoter onto this because that's where the 3M's gonna sit. You don't have to put any onto the body of the car. It's just like a little wipey, like an alcohol wipe, and just rub it the same way. And then you let it dry for like a minute, and then it should be ready for the double-sided tape. Just let that dry for like 40-50 seconds. The next step is we gotta put the actual double-sided tape on it. It's been like a minute, now we can actually put the double-sided tape on it.
That's not even at all.
Oh my god, take this shit off. Look at that space.
Nah, that's really cool.
Oh my god. Bro, come on, Edgar, look at this shit.
There we go. There we go. And they stingy, they give you the perfect amount.
Cut off. Like that, and then just leave it to the side, and then you'll peel off the rest when it's on the car. Now we can actually mount the actual lip onto the car. Oh shit. You're gonna use the same factory hardware that's on the sides. There's 1, 2 screws right here, and then the same on that side. We're gonna take these out right now, mount the lip, put these screws back, and then take out the rest of the tape. All right, so it's not these two, it's that one and the one on there.
They're right there. Got it?
I'm gonna take it off.
Yeah. Damn, this lip fits perfectly. Now we can actually peel off this tape. I'm gonna peel off this tape, and then they just have to make sure that the lip is as pushed back as possible. You guys ready?
Yeah.
See, like it's lifted right there, so right here you gotta
Push it in there. Oh yeah, it is.
Yes, sir. All right, we got the lip on, and it looks like that side fit perfectly. This side we're having a little bit issues. I think it's just because the lip isn't perfect 100%. It's not bad by any means, but it's not to Edgar standards. So we're gonna put a little bit of double-sided tape right here because there's a gap right there. So we're gonna put some tape, and hopefully it just holds it shut like that. Beautiful cut. We're probably gonna put some right here too. You need to clean this. Oh my god. Alright.
Oh yeah, put it back.
Shit fit even worse now.
The fuck for her?
Alright there. Edgar says he's happy with the fitment of the lip. That shit cleans up the front end so much. You just gotta restore your headlights. We gotta put those last 2 clips on the bottom of the car. There's one on each side. And that's basically it. We're gonna finish everything up and then clean up, and then I'll show you guys how it looks like in the sun. Alright, never mind. We took the lip completely off because that shit wasn't fitting good. So we're probably gonna have to Dremel a bit of it off. Change the plan. We took out the whole lip again and we put it back. Edgar was just concerned about the gaps on this side, on both sides. So what we did is we just intentionally left an even gap on the front right here across the entire front. And you can't really notice it from up here that much, but the sides sit a lot better, especially this side. This side was the one that was all fucked up. Oh, hell yeah.
You see?
All right, we're gonna drop it. Nah, it's gonna hit.
Yeah.
Edgar's a low boy now.
Fuck, I can't even lift it. Oh.
KVD? Damn, it's a good thing we caught it, because imagine you slammed it, your new lip would have been fucked. All right, we're gonna lift it up a bit more, put some wood underneath the wheels, and then we should be able to drop it. We're gonna figure this out and then drop the car. I'll be back once it's dropped. All right, car's dropped. We're gonna clean up right here, and I'll show you guys how it looks like on the street. That should look so much cleaner. Damn, that should look so much better. That's gonna be it for today's video. That shit came out pretty clean. This one needs to lower his car. If you guys think he needs to lower his car, comment that down below, because he does not listen to me. Maybe after seeing all your guys' comments, he'll fucking lower it more. But damn, that shit looks good. Yes, sir. That shit was pretty easy to install. All he needs left is like restore his headlights. But yeah, that shit's like the perfect mod. It's pretty cheap too. Like the lip and everything. I think for both of them was like 300 bucks. Wasn't that bad. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Remember, like, comment, subscribe, and you want to say anything?
Nah.
Alright, I'll see you guys next time. Later. Edgar done fucked up letting me drive the Mustang. He told me to go park it for him. This was car's insane, bro. I remember my fucking car used to sound exactly like that. Damn. Alright. I gotta get another Mustang, bro. Alright, I'll see you guys next time. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys later.